This is a long time. All fighters. Well, it's finally time. At long last, we're gonna finally draw the one and only Triceratops. One of the best dinosaurs ever come to be. The first time I saw Triceratops on the Prehistoric Park on BBC Video was on Prehistoric Park. There we are. Alexa, what is Triceratops?
Triceratops is a genus of herbivorous chasmosaurine ceratopsid dinosaur that first appeared during the late Maastrichtian stage of the Late Cretaceous period, about 68 million years ago in what is now North America. It is one of the last known non-avian dinosaur genera, and became extinct in the Cretaceous Paleogene extinction event 66 million years ago.
Baby, 'cause here I come. I'm bringing you a love that's true, so get ready, get ready. I'm gonna try to make you love me too, so get ready, here I come. 'Cause here I come on my way.
There we are. I'm proud that I drew this three-horned hero. There he is, everyone. That's how you draw Triceratops. Wow, that was fast. Who knew? But hey, at least I got it done. That's all for now, guys. Stegosaurus, see you later.